Hello everyone, I am Tarek Jubair, digital marketing and SEO expert. Recently, I created a website to showcase my work and services to potential clients. First of all, I started planning the whole website. I considered which pages I wanted to include. I decided to have home page, about page, service page, portfolio page, blog page and contact page. Homepage has a welcome message and a brief introduction about myself. About page has a detailed information about my professional background and experience. Service page has a list of services that I offer. A portfolio page has example of my work. Blog pages has a space to share my thought and experiences on various topics. Contact page has a section for visitor to get in touch with me. Next, I began the design and technical aspect of the website. I aim to create a user-friendly design that would be easy for visitors to navigate. After setting up the pages, I wrote content for each one. I made sure the content was engaging and informative. Particularly in the portfolio section, I selected my best work to give visitor a clear understanding of my skills. That's all about my website. If you need a website or any digital marketing services, feel free to contact me. Thank you.